Well, there has been yet another shocking video that emerged from the pandemonium that broke out yesterday in the upper house. Now, after Derek O'Brien of the TMC almost physically assaulted the deputy chairman, told the rule book and yanked the mic off, the Aam Aadmi Party MP Sanjay Singh was seen pushing the House Marshal and standing on the Treasury benches before being forcefully evicted out from the House.
The ruckus in the upper house of Parliament by few opposition MPs over the passage of farm sector bills has drawn widespread condemnation. You watch Derek O'Brien storm the well of the House, tear the rule book, yank the mic, and almost physically assault the deputy chairman. Now here's another clip from the same time when pandemonium broke out. Watch how AAP MLA Sanjay Singh charges at the House Marshal, then pushes him twice, and then dare him aggressively. Minutes later, you can see him stand up on the benches, clapping his hands and raising slogans. It took a group of marshals to force him out of the House for unruly behavior. Condemning the aggression towards the deputy chairman, Defence Minister Singh said that this kind of unruly behavior never happened in the Rajya Sabha before.
राज्य सभा में जब कृषि से संबंधित दो विधेयकों पर चर्चा चल रही थी, उस समय राज्यसभा के अंदर जो कुछ भी हुआ वह जहां दुखद था वही दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण था, और इससे भी आगे जाकर मैं कहना चाहूंगा कि वह अत्यधिक शर्मनाक था.
Scenes that have exposed the opposition's utter disregard for the House of Elders, the Parliament and the parliamentary traditions. Is this their definition of saving democracy? Bureau Report, Republic TV.